The hidden universe inside 1 millimeter of your brain. They say the universe is out there, that we only need to look up at the sky to feel small before its immensity. But what a group of scientists from Harvard and Google Research has discovered reminds us of something astonishing, that another universe, just as vast, is silently beating inside us. It all began with a tiny fragment of the human brain, smaller than the head of a pin, 1 cubic millimeter of the temporal cortex. That almost invisible piece was analyzed with ultra-high-resolution electron microscopy, a technique that allows us to see every neuron, every synapse, every blood vessel, as if a satellite were mapping a microscopic city. The result was as breathtaking as it was overwhelming. In that cubic millimeter, they found 57,000 neurons, 150 million synapses, and 230 millimeters of blood vessels. And all of it compressed into 1.4 petabytes of data. To understand it better, it would take 1,000 entire libraries to store the information from a single fragment of the human brain. The images revealed a world of connections, of pathways, of networks that intersect and branch like neuronal galaxies. Some connections, incredibly powerful, linked neurons with up to 50 synapses between them. It was like discovering hidden neural superhighways amongst a tangle of tiny alleyways. Researchers spent over a year scanning layer by layer, more than 5,000 slices the thickness of a DNA molecule, and what they obtained was the world's most detailed brain map published in the journal Science. But the most interesting part isn't the technology, it's the lesson it holds. Because this tiny cerebral universe reminds us of something fundamental, that within each of us exists a network so vast, so complex, that not even the planet's most powerful machines can fully comprehend it yet. Every thought, every memory, every emotion we feel is nothing more than the echo of millions of electrical impulses traveling through this inner cosmos. And when we see it this way, the brain stops being just an organ. It becomes a miniature universe, a mirror of the cosmos that surrounds us. Perhaps, when we gaze at the starry sky, we are doing nothing more than recognizing ourselves. Because, in a way, the universe is made of the same stuff as we are. And by trying to understand the brain, we are only trying to understand ourselves. Within 1 millimeter of the brain, 1,000 universes fit.